Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing undulate rays. Actually, a skate, this fish gets its common name from the undulating motions of its fins while it swims, as well as the undulating patterns of waves and spots along its back. This dorsal pattern helps camouflage an undulate ray laying on the sandy seafloor. At full size, an undulate ray may reach over 3 feet, 1 meter long, in total length. That's including the tail, that is about the same length as the body. This skate's wide pectoral fins, which are sometimes referred to as wings, are wider than they are long, giving the undulate an overall diamond shape. Although it doesn't have a stinger, this fish has spines along its back and 2 dorsal fins near the end of its tail. The undulate ray is a demersal species, meaning it spends most of its time on or just above the floor of the ocean. It's rarely found deeper than 650 feet, 200 meters, and resides in shallow coastal regions with sandy bottoms into which they can easily burrow. Overall, the population is fragmented throughout the Atlantic Ocean, occurring along the east coasts of Europe, from Britain and Ireland to Senegal in Africa. Undulate rays can also be seen in the Mediterranean Sea. These vertebrates are most commonly seen swimming near or inside bays and estuaries, especially the juveniles, who use these habitats to avoid predators. Undulate rays lay eggs that incubate for about 3 months. It takes 8 years for the adults to reach the point that they're able to reproduce. And often, they only live a few years after this pivotal age. Undulate ray eggs look like little sacs with 4 pointed horns. Empty egg cases sometimes wash up on shore after storms and are called mermaid's purses. In a single year, a female undulate ray produces about 80 eggs, all laid within a few months' time. When they're young, these skates eat shrimp and other small creatures that inhabit the ocean floor. As they grow, they focus more heavily on hard-bodied crabs, which they crush with their plate-like teeth. They can also eat fish. Undulate rays are typically protected from predators by both their camouflaging pattern and their dorsal spines, but they may fall prey to larger fish. An even greater threat these fish face is targeted fishing, which is widely banned throughout their range. This ban was put in place near the turn of the century, and undulate ray populations rose afterwards. They may still be caught as bycatch, but anglers and fishing operations are encouraged to throw these skates back as gently as possible if ensnared. Want to help us share even more amazing animal facts? Join Dad, Spike Spiegel 93, and the rest of our Patreon family to help keep the knowledge flowing. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and thanks for watching Animal Fact Files.